Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is August 13th, 2025, and we're diving into Evotec's interim financial results for the first half of 2025. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Evotec is a prominent player in the drug discovery and development sector, and their latest report provides some interesting insights into their strategic shifts and financial performance.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Evotec reported a group revenue of €371.2 million for the first half of 2025, which is a 5% decrease compared to the same period last year. John, can you break down these numbers for us?
Absolutely. The decline in revenue is primarily due to a significant drop in the discovery and preclinical development segment, which saw an 11% decrease to €269 million. However, just Evotec Biologics showed strong growth, with revenues increasing by 16% to €102.2 million. This segment's performance is driven by higher demand and a favorable revenue mix.
And what about profitability?
Evotec's adjusted EBITDA was negative at €1.9 million, which aligns with their expectations due to strong cost control measures. The company is navigating a challenging market environment, particularly in the discovery and preclinical development segment.
Strategic initiatives and collaborations. Evotec has been making strides in strategic collaborations. Can you tell us more about their partnerships and initiatives?
Evotec has made significant progress in its collaborations with Bristol Myers Squibb, particularly in targeted protein degradation and neuroscience, which brought in $75 million, $20 million, respectively. Additionally, they received a $2.5 million grant from the Gates Foundation to support tuberculosis treatment development. These collaborations are crucial for Evotec's long-term growth strategy.
And how does the FDA's new roadmap align with Evotec's goals?
The FDA's initiative to reduce animal testing aligns perfectly with Evotec's commitment to ethical research practices. This alignment strengthens their position as a leader in innovative drug development.
Financial position and cash flow. Let's shift focus to Evotec's financial position. How is the company managing its cash flow and investments?
Evotec reported a net cash outflow from operating activities of €5.3 million, which is a significant improvement from the previous year's outflow of €98.6 million. This improvement is due to better working capital management. However, they spent €43.6 million on investing activities, mainly for the completion of their Toulouse site. On the financing side, they raised €20.7 million, primarily through loans.
And what about their liquidity?
As of June 30th, 2025, Evotec had €267.8 million in cash and cash equivalents, providing a solid liquidity position to support their ongoing operations and strategic initiatives.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. John, let's discuss the earnings per share. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 9.02, but the actual EPS came in at 9.42. What does this mean for Evotec?
This is a significant miss, with the actual EPS falling short by 0.30 cents. The discrepancy highlights the challenges Evotec faces in achieving profitability amidst declining revenues in some segments. The miss could impact investor sentiment, but it's important to consider the broader strategic initiatives that Evotec is pursuing.
With only one analyst covering the stock, how does this affect the reliability of forecasts?
Having a single analyst means there's less consensus and potentially higher volatility in expectations. Investors should be cautious and consider a range of factors beyond just EPS when evaluating Evotec's performance.
Key takeaways. As we wrap up, Evotec's first half of 2025 shows a mixed bag of results. While they face challenges in certain segments, their strategic collaborations and growth into just Evotec Biologics are promising. John, any final thoughts on Evotec's investment prospects?
Evotec is navigating a tough market, but their strategic focus and collaborations could drive long-term growth. Investors should keep an eye on their execution of strategic initiatives and any further developments in their partnerships.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Evotec's performance in the comments below.